Good morning, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is a 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. It has a unique set of strobes. They're both purple and white in the front grille. It's two-way, so two physical strobes. Polished Cadillac wheels, pretty standard for a 2019 Cadillac. 27,000 original miles, half slick top, black on black with a silver stripe here. B&C pillar chrome along with a beautiful chrome crown band here. So very well optioned Platinum Phoenix. This is pretty much everything you can do to the exterior of a Phoenix. Interior wise, you have a Madagascar floor with a light gray interior. It's technically termed titanium, but it's a light gray in real colors. Flip up church truck area here with a black carpeted bottom. You're going to see some damage on this car. So this car does have some damage on this well. It will be treated and fully redone. We're even going to replace that platinum step pad here. The church truck has clearly been used a couple times in this coach, but please note with 27,000 miles, this will look almost brand new. So all of the marks you see will be touched up. You can see some in the number 2 door here. You can also see some in the urn carrier box as well. So this is a pretty common platinum issue. It's something we take care of all the time. It's just the paint cracking. They will all be stripped down and repainted, and it will not happen again. There was a manufacturing issue back in 2019. Full-size urn carrier here with a Madagascar floor. It does fold down, so you do have best of both worlds here. You also have 8 rollers down the center and 2 90 degrees. Does have a bumper carpet as well, and that will stay with the vehicle. Platinum Coach will have a composite door for both your number 2 doors along with your rear load door. This one does also have rear load door stainless as well, so that was an upgrade option back in 2019 for this coach. On the driver's side number 2 door, you do have a full-size spare tire here. It's a matching spare, so a 5th physical wheel. Jack and toolkit would be in there as well. This one does also have the optional fold-up door on this side, matching the church truck side. Just makes getting that full-size spare a little easier to get out. Chrome nameplate holders on both the number 2 doors on this coach. Very standard, but I always like to make a point of it. Driver compartment wise, you have black leather. Both the driver and the passenger seat are fully powered, both tilt and raising and lowering of the seat. You do have tilt and telescoping column as well, that is powered. Remote start, push to start, AM FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth in this vehicle along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This 2019 is the last year of the XTS body style, so you do get the upgraded front and rear look that matches both the 18s and the 19s. So it is a very unique model. It's going to be the last sedan we ever see here for a hearse or limousine body. So if you are chasing the sedan look, this is the absolute newest you can go. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. This one is still available. I do have a few others as well. If you're not looking for the front half slick top, personally I prefer that look. It's much easier to clean than a Tuxedo vinyl. Once again, 800-229-5008, 80 plus photos of this vehicle online, a walk around demo, and this beautiful demo you're watching right now. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one.